Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click, and today I will show you how to remove extra language packs or keyboard languages on Windows in a quick and simple way. This video will guide you step by step so you can clean up unwanted languages from your system. Now let's get started. Step 1. Press Win+I on your keyboard to open the Settings menu, which is the main control center for your Windows system. This shortcut quickly takes you to System Settings without searching manually. It saves time and helps you access language options easily. Step 2. Go to Time and Language inside the Settings window. This section manages your date, time, region, speech, and language preferences. It is important because all language packs and keyboard settings are controlled from here. Step 3. Click on Language from the left side of the Time and Language menu. This area shows all the languages currently installed on your computer. It allows you to manage display languages and keyboard layouts in one place. Step 4. Under Preferred Languages, select the language you want to remove from the list. Preferred languages determine which languages Windows can use for display and typing. Choosing the correct language here ensures you remove only the one you no longer need. Step 5. Click Remove to uninstall the selected language pack from your system. This will delete the language and its related keyboard layouts if they are not in use. Removing extra languages helps keep your system clean and prevents unwanted keyboard switching. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.